Hey guys, this is my very first video. Make sure you guys like this video if you like slime, because this one's going to be a slime collection video. There's 3 girls, and I'm the only one here today, so make sure you guys like this if you like slime. So let's get on to this video. So this first slime is a clear base slime. It has fruit slices. I was playing with it earlier, so it's not all rise to the top, and it's not like sunk to the bottom. The fruit slices haven't sunk to the bottom. So it's a foam. It's a pink and white foam, clear base, and has fruit slices in it. This is called strawberry fruit smoothie. It's a little sticky because all my clear slimes are a little bit sticky. My dog's in the background. Don't mind the background sound. Okay, let's get on to the next one. This next slime, I had to go through all of them and activate them all because I haven't played with these ones in a while. But this one is a foam bead. Foam, I don't know the difference, but it has black sparkles, it's orange, and it has beads in it. Well, not beads, but like they're foam balls. Yeah. It has a nice click to it. A nice, bubbles. Nice crunch. It's very stretchy. Okay, I really like this one. Let's get on to the next one. Not all of them have names. This one doesn't have a name. Make sure if you guys should make up a name. You can write like in round 2, and then put like the name for this one. But let's get on to this one. Is a glitter bomb slime. I love this one. Let's go on to the next one. I don't know why that one's so small. Let's go on to. Okay, so if you guys remember the clear base smoothie one, well, this is just a white base one. This one's just strawberry smoothie. It doesn't have like fruit things in it or nothing. It's just pink foam beads, pink slime, and that's it. And it's very small. To get on to the next one. Don't want my dog in the background. She's really loud. Okay, so there's this green butter slime. Makes excellent swirls. Excellent swirls. I'm kind of sick, guys, so it's kind of why my voice is not right. But it's my swirl. Okay, so this one's like a jelly slime. Oh my gosh, look at all those bubbles. Whoa, it's like a clear slime. I really like that one. It's so satisfying. Okay, and this one is a foam bead one. It's really satisfying. It doesn't really make clicking sounds. Yeah, it does. A little bit. Not really. It smells really good too. So the green butter slime smells good too. Really? Really, Isabel? My dog's over here grunting in the background. She's like, yes, we know. Alright. Let's get 2 more. Okay, and this one is an instant snow one. It's like a red velvet color. It's very, very pretty and very, very satisfying. Okay, now for the last one. Okay, it's a white base slime. It's called Tricks. I'm not going to take it out of the container because I don't want to risk anything of it getting dirty. But it's really satisfying. This is the last slime. But if you guys want a part 2, make sure you guys comment part 2 because I do have some more slimes. Oh, well, that one just got all over the side. Okay, well, that was great. Okay, and I do have these 2 clear ones, but they're clearing up still. But if you guys want to see a part 2, you guys can see what these look like all cleared up and what they look like, what they sound like. So make sure to comment part 2 if you would like to see these, and if you would like to see more other slimes. This one's very pretty. I would love to show you guys this one when it clears up. So make sure you guys comment part 2 if you want to see it. Make sure you guys like this video if you were interested, or if you like slime, or just like it because you like it. And make sure to comment what kind of videos we should do: house tour, room tour, part 2 slime, how to make certain slimes that you would like to know, and subscribe to be a member of the Hawaii Squad. And hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you next time.